During coaching, many women tell me this. Business start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, but confidence ಇಲ್ಲ. Let me tell you something important. Confidence is not the starting point. Confidence is the result of action. No successful entrepreneur started with full confidence. So, the myth about confidence is that most people believe first you should get confidence, then only you can take action. But in real life, the order is different. It actually works the other way. You take first action, then you experience it, then you get the confidence. Think about driving a car. The first day, you feel very nervous. But after that, when you start driving many times, the confidence naturally grows. Business works the same way. Why many women still hesitate? In my experience of working with women, entrepreneurs especially, and the homemakers, career break women, the hesitation is because of three fears that they have. You can say the fear model. Okay. The fear is like F stands for fear of judgment. Many women worry, what will people say? What will my relatives say, friends say, neighbors say? But remember, people who criticize rarely build businesses themselves. Okay, your life decisions should not be controlled by other people's opinions. E is the fear of failure. People think, what if it doesn't work? But failure is not the opposite of success. It's just part of the learning process. Every successful entrepreneur has made many mistakes and then learned from it. Mistakes are just like you can take it like a feedback and not like a defeat. If you feel it is like a defeat, then you can't go further in business. A is the fear of technology. Many women say, I'm not tech savvy. Just But today technology is actually very simple than before. So there is no need for you to know the coding, and AI is there. There are so many free AI tools that can help you with uh, the tech work. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to learn it also. You can only What you need to learn is like what content to post, what to reply to the customers, the basic tools. These skills can be learned step by step. The next one is the fear of responsibility. So some people worry, what if I cannot manage everything? But business doesn't require perfection. It requires progress. You can start and then grow gradually. So there is nothing that you need to know everything before you start. So here's the confidence building system that I generally tell my community members. It's like a small action formula. S is for start small. Do not think building a huge brand immediately. You are starting the business and tomorrow your brand should become big. That is not the way you have to start. Just start one product at a time, one page at a time, one customer at a time. And these small beginnings will reduce the fear. That's how you start moving towards becoming confident. Make learning a habit. Treat the journey as learning and not pressure. Every week, just learn one thing. It could be either marketing or product knowledge or customer communication. It could be anything. Learning will build your competence, and competence will build more confidence. Okay, accept imperfection. Your first video may not be perfect. Your first post may not be perfect. That's normal. Improvement will happen through practice. So just get started. Look, L is for look at progress. Instead of comparing with the big brands, measure your own unique progress. Okay, example, first month, how much first sale. Second month, you get a repeat customer. The third month, you start getting steady orders. This is the progress that you should believe in and keep moving towards it, and then keep adding more and more customers to it. And the last L, that's lead yourself. Entrepreneurship means becoming a leader of your own life first. You stop waiting for permission from others. You start creating some opportunities first. An important realization is that confidence does not come from thinking. It's confidence comes from doing the things. Every small action that we take, our message, the brain will get a message that I can do this. Over the time, this will become a self belief, and this over the time will become into a confidence, will develop into a confidence. So if you're waiting for confidence to start, you may fail forever. You may be waiting forever and you may not even start. Okay. So instead of that, take the courage, just start creating something, start taking the little steps, start taking the action, and this action over the time will create confidence.